So this is one of my newer projects that I've started for my office. Check this out. It's a pretty cool looking hammer. It's got a office coin there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little dark. Kind of spins a little bit. But what's unique about this, one, I didn't make this hammer. Lady, my office, her father-in-law makes these. Has a cool little leather strap on it. But before I got this thing, this is my Ortor Laser Master 3. I wasn't able to do these laser burns, so my office took it to some place on base. Tell me if you can read that. I'm about 1.5 feet above the hammer. I'm gonna get closer. You can start to make it out now, but I usually don't like to shame other places that do work, but apparently this was another business that did this, and my office wasn't too happy, so they asked if I could fix it. And if I could, they said I could do more of these later on, so we're gonna give it my best shot. I'm gonna take it out with the orbital sander, 60 grit. Might go to 80 after that. Hopefully not take off too material, but man, it's barely, there's barely any depth to it, so hopefully it'll be easy. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Alright, just as expected, and we got a clean slate. That one really took about maybe just a couple of minutes to do. So yeah, you can tell that really wasn't deep at all. So I'm gonna hit it with an 80 and probably a 120 after that, just to get a nice finish, and then hit it with a laser. Might be done with this tonight. We'll see how it goes. Okay, this is our final design. Not sure if you can see that, but the speed is 158. Power is 100. It's all lined up. Hope this works.